So hello everyone. So for today, we're going to proceed in the letter C in the nomenclature of our topic about the alkenes and the alkyne. So the alkenes and the alkyne are called unsaturated compound because they have less hydrogen and atoms per carbon atom than the alkenes. So the more hydrogen atoms can add to those compounds by chemical reaction and using hydrogen gas in the presence of the essential catalyst. So, the terms of unsaturated structures where the triple bonds exist between the carbon atoms. So, the suffix of for the alkanes denotes the presence of the double bond in their structure. So, while the suffix "-in" or "-wine" for the alkanes denotes the presence of the double bond in their structure and indicates the presence of the triple bond between the carbon atom. So as you can see in our screen that there is a number of carbon atoms like alkanes, formula, and the alkyl alkenes formula. So the number of carbon atoms which is 2, and there is ethane and a C2H4, and for the alkene ethane and C2H2. So for the second box you can see that there is 3 carbon atoms for the propene and the C3H6. So for the second box, so you can see that there is 3 carbon atoms for the propane and for the C3H4. So as you can observe, class, that there is an increasing of the carbon atoms, right? So for the third box of the carbon atoms, there are 4 carbon atoms. So butane and C4H8. So okay, so let's proceed to the expanded formula and dense formula for the alkene. So you can see in our screen that expanded formula and the condensed formula for the alkane is, you can see in our screen that there is ethane and propane and butane. So as you can already know that we already tackled ethane and the carbon atoms. That's why there's 3, 2, 3, and 4. So in the ethane, you can see that the structural form is the trigonal plan. So and the condensed formula is the CH2 or double bonded with CH2 for the propane. So there's too many hydrogen that coped up with the carbon and its condensed formula. Excuse me. So for the condensed formula for the propane is a CH2 double bonded CH sub 3. So 1 butane is too way much of structure that it could also consist CH2 double bonded CH sub 2 and CH sub 3. So as we are going to see that the lineage structural formula, so the double parallel for ethane is diagonal, but there is parallel for propane. For the butane is a slant zigzag, and that's it. So let's proceed for the alkane. So alkane has a expanded and the condensed formula. So for the ethane there is C, a triple bonded with carbon and a hydrogen for its condense is the CH with a triple bond with CH. So for the propane, so there is triple bonded with a carbon, and the carbon is coupled up with a single bond with a hydrogen. So way more much carbon by surrounded by hydrogen, as you can see. So for the butane is there's too many structures for its expanded. So it's a it's condensed formula. So it's CH triple bonded with C and CH sub 2 for the single bond with a CH sub 3. So for the line edges for the structural formula for alkane is for ethane is a triple bond. For the propane is a triple bond but continuously on to the spot. And for the butane is a triple bond but in slant diagonal structure. So and any question, class? Nothing. So this is the end of our topic, and thank you for listening, and God bless, and thank you.